Right, I'm going to make one of my one-pot all-in-one meals using sausages and some mashed potato and some onions as well. So first of all, we're going to take the sausages out of the pack, cut them up and fry them. So in the dish now I've got the sausages I just fried off. They're not completely cooked through because they're going to get a bit more of that in the oven. In the frying pan now I put some spring onions and a regular onion that I'm just gently frying. Then when these are done, they're going to go on top of the potato, on top of the sausages. So the onions are just finished off gently frying. They've now gone on top of the sausages. And now what I'm going to put on top of all of that is some ready-made mash, but this one is Carl Cannon mash. It's got some Savoy cabbage, onions and a bit of butter with the potatoes as well, so that'll be quite tasty on top. You can use any kind of mash. You can use sweet potato or ordinary potato mash, and this is going to go just on top of there. So I put the mashed potato on top. Some of it's gone right down by the sausages, but that doesn't matter if you've got some sausages exposed. Also on top of it I put a splash of Worcestershire sauce and a sprinkling of salt and pepper. That goes in the oven for about an hour and it'll come out nice and crispy on top and ready to eat. And there we have it, just out of the oven, my one dish sausage, onion and potato meal. If you try it, do let me know how it turns out and enjoy.